Alright, y'all, welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. I know y'all seen a picture of this, and
a few moments later.
well, took us 3 days to get it done, y'all. Man, we so tired. We worked around the clock. 3 long days. Then we wore out. We were slap wore out. You talking about some painting now. We got that magic wand. And all you do is shake it 3 times. And this is what you get. That's what happens when you have that magic wand. See? You can take an old car and you can turn it into this in 3 days. But it's a lot of work.